Guys, I've been sick for the last 2 days, okay? And you guys have been blowing up my phone, asking me to make a video about this incident. Like, those that know me personally have been calling me saying, "You need to make a video about this thing that just happened." My emails are getting blown up about it, you know? And yeah, this is worth getting upset about. But what can you do about it? Well, you can arm yourselves and you can stop living in la la land, you know? And, this woman, I don't know, what's this green thing she's carrying? Is that like a little balloon thingy? I don't what is that green thingy? I don't know if this woman is living in La La Land. I don't know. Uh, you know, but man, guys, people gotta I don't want to blame the victim here, but you gotta have more situational awareness. Okay? Because the politicians have decided that it's more important for these people to not be in prison than your safety. That's what they've decided, okay? And I live in Florida, and I've been to prison. You see my prison tattoos. I talk about that a lot in my videos. If you're just a new subscriber or whatever, and you don't know that somehow, um, but I would have been uncomfortable being around this guy. The moment I go down the street and I see somebody aggressively talking to themselves, man, I get ready. I get ready, you know? And I would have seen this guy coming from 40 feet away, you know? And I open carry pepper ball, and this is why I open carry pepper ball. Because I know people like this exist. And, I've seen people like this. They tend to avoid me for some reason. They seem to only go after defenseless women that can't fight back. It's funny. They're cuckoo, they're crazy, but they seem to be very selective about who they target. They don't seem to be that crazy. One thing I've noticed about crazy people is they seem to have some sense when it counts. You know, like the crazy woman I've dated. They only act crazy when they're in the house with me. But when we go in public, all of a sudden they have all the sense. So again, I've got crazy people fatigue. I think a lot of these crazy people know exactly what they're doing. They like being labeled as crazy because society gives them a free pass to do a lot of the things they shouldn't be doing, which is probably how this guy got out of jail, you know? So I'll say this. You guys need to arm yourselves. And if there's any woman watching this, get out of La La Land. Understand that there's people that hate you just because of your race. I told you this stuff was going to happen a couple weeks ago. I said this was going to intensify because I saw the TikTok videos. I saw these people getting amped the fuck up. I've seen little TikTok accounts with like 12 followers with people that are just amping themselves up, going crazy, talking themselves up into this, and they build this entire world in their head. And it's this world they've built. Crazy people are locking themselves up in their little Section 8 apartments, and they're talking to themselves, and they're building a little universe, like a Lord of the Rings lore universe, Star Wars, Fallout 4. Okay, they've built a lore in their mind about how the world really works, and it's completely disconnected from reality. And so they've built this narrative, they've built this plot, they've lost the plot, right? And the only plot they know is they have this strange pattern recognition where they see something and it confirms some weird thing they came up with earlier. So they see you walking down the street and they're like, aha, that's the guy that helped the leprechaun steal all my money. And again, it makes sense to them, but it's complete nonsense. But aha, that's the guy that helped the leprechaun steal all my money. You get what I'm saying? It doesn't have to make sense. He's a crazy person. And I believe this guy is upset because I think he lost custody of his kid, and I think his kid's name was Elijah. Well, Di-Quan 1, I have something to tell you. I am glad you do not have custody of your kid. You are a dangerous, violent person that does not need to be around any children or women. You need to be in a cage. So I'm glad you lost custody of your kid. It's for the well-being of that kid. Because clearly, you don't need to be in society. You need to be in a box. You need to be in a cage. But unfortunately, we have corrupt traitor politicians that let you out of a cage. The time may come when people like me are put into positions of power, Mr. Di-Quan. And if that happens, may God have mercy on your soul.